Adam C and welcome to my Nissan 350Z. Tonight I am heading to a car meet, obviously. This one is hosted by Empire UK and this is the last meet for a little while, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm actually quite excited. So the start location is at Cobham Services. We will be heading to other locations. Whether I'll be joining them I do not know, but I'm getting there nice and early to Cobham to hopefully capture them all entering. Can't see any cars on the road yet, so let's have a look what's here. Can't see any cars yet, but as I said, we are very early. There's a lot of car transporters, like tons of them.
So I found a parking space, and before I have a look around, I'm going to give a quick word about today's video sponsor, NordVPN. NordVPN is quite simply the best virtual private network, as selected by VPN Mentor for the best VPN awards of 2020. And what does that mean? Well, you will be safe in the knowledge that you are receiving the best service, and safety is key, as NordVPN protects your personal data no matter what you might be browsing for. Whether it be the greatest JDM cars to import or the latest anime Japanese featurettes, you can unlock your favorite streaming websites using NordVPN to encrypt your data and privatize your location. And I am gifting to you for Christmas a very special deal for watching this far in, which provides 4 whole months for free with every 2-year plan purchase. So follow the link in the description below to check it out and use this code. And thank you very much for NordVPN for sponsoring this video. So let's have a look around. So here I am parked up. Cars are gradually rolling in, and let me show you what I mean about the lorries. So these are all the normal spaces all parked that way. There's actually a BMW M2 just tucked away over there, and over here are all of the lorries. Cars are arriving from that lane there. A couple of above, that one is green, matching the grass and popping away. Although due to the fact that most of them are German cars and the UK has a lot of German cars in our country, it's difficult to determine which cars are here for the meet and which are here for the services, but I reckon he is here for the meet. What do we have here? A Triumph TR3 on the back of an AA van. That never happens with British classics. That's a rare spot. We've got the Mark III Focus RS. I did see a police car pull in, so we need to be careful tonight, as always. A bit of a lineup arriving now, starting with the RS. Little Fiesta clan turning up. Oh, very green now. I reckon all of the normal people that are turning up to the services are wondering why there's people stood along the line and cars parked there and lorries parked like that. It must be confusing. Oh, BMW M6 making entrance with a mate behind him. I can see an RS6 arriving, accelerating and popping and banging. Talking pops and bangs. Yeah. It's the Fiesta. Well, that looks pretty spectacular and large. We've got a loud E46. That was very loud. When the bikes provide the content, the cars do not. Welcome to the bike show. Yes! The Scania was revving as well. When the bikes and the lorries provide the content and the cars do not. Come on. We've even got a white Alpine A110 attendant. I can see some red hellish BMW halos, and I can hear something. Is that the Joker on the bonnet of the BMW? I think it is. Revs are a weird thing. You don't see horse people asking the horses to neigh for the camera. This guy is pulling a massive breast implant on the back of the trailer. Someone's got some like triple F cups coming. So there are a few cars still turning up. There's some BMWs popping and revving in the background. It's a difficult time whether I go over there or stay here to capture arrivals. So we'll venture over there. I just heard an Evo give some revs as well. We like the Evos. I can hear a C63 revving. There's another Evo over there. We've got the Polo, the Lupo, and a couple of Puntos. a GTR just arrived. I missed that, the first one of the night. The police are now patrolling on foot. Look at the amount of colours on display. It's very artistic here, like a gallery at the Tate. I heard a V8 as well. A V8 at the Tate. Cars and lorries and bikes as far as the eye can see, and the colours as well. I believe this was the V8 that we heard earlier. E39. Wow. E39 M5 sounding amazing with its V8. There's also the yellow Golf GTI doing a few pops. We've got another Nissan GTR behind it. Then we've got a Golf R not doing some pops and another Nissan GTR behind it. Oh, steady, steady. Oh, I think a stern word is in order. We've got an unmarked car over there, a marked car over here. Then we've got this turquoise BMW M5, first one in that colour that I have seen, next to a very glossy blue M4. We have a BMW i8 with Tron lines on it. A lot of them do seem to be heading out, although the BMW is heading back in again. Neons under the arches there. That's kind of like underglow, but not. Seat and the Fiesta with the blue tips giving some revolutions. There's already a traffic jam now. So here we are at one of the main departure lounges with a very slow departure from the cars. We've got the loud Seat. Is he going to be loud? Go on. Indeed he is. Just like to point out, my fingers are about to fall off due to the coldness of the evening. My toes will be next to go, even though they have protection. We've got a few more BMWs departing now, including the very clean M4. Someone else just did a little slide. Oh, little skid. A couple of diesel launches is what we received. We've now got a yellow Lupo rolling through. A lot of steam from their exhaust due to the coldness of the night, I cannot stress enough. That was an R32 Golf on air. We've got a Mini going oi oi. Loud M6. Oh, there's the Z. Years. Years. Got some V8s coming. E36 doing E36 things. Got an RS6 on its way out. One day we should start like a revelation and just park up cars in the middle of a street and everyone to rev. This RS6 had me once. So I'm going to hop in the car and try and join them at the second location and see what's up. Oh, this is such a confusing way. It's westbound. Okay, we're going this way. We've got an M2 in front. Yes, we are going the right way. There is a Lamborghini Huracan in front of me, though he's not quite going 70. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm not going to catch that. Oh, look. There's the Huracan with an Audi R8 next to it as well. Ah, right. Got a bit of a queue. This is a queue to get in. Oh, we've got a rev battle. There is a very long queue of cars behind me. More so than we're at the first location. RS6. Apparently the next location is going to be released in 10 minutes and we're not even in there yet. This BMW next to me has been doing burnouts. Will we do another? A little one, a little one. Though we are queuing, it's not a boring queue to be in. It's quite entertaining. Oh, look at that. Saffy Cosworth cutting in line. Another Saffy Cosworth cutting in line. I would be in there by now if it wasn't for these people
cussing in. Couldn't wait 2 minutes, could you?
So I've abandoned the car here. I don't know what's going on. I think my toes have fallen off. I can feel them loose in my shoe. So that's all the cars trying to get in now. So the police are now up there blocking off something. We've got a Jaguar dealership. We've got cars trying to still come in. Cars are parked up there. Cars are now departing from here. And I think they're all going their separate ways. I shall go to the exits, film cars leaving, keep an eye on my car. I mean, the lighting isn't great, but it's quite fun to see everyone just rolling out at one time. There's the 992. You can see the chaos from all the headlights leaving. E96. Right, there are police cars around. They wouldn't like that. A yellow Evo, I like that. It's like liquid yellow. Oh, someone's left a smoke bomb over there. I thought there was like a purple burnouts going on. Well, no, it's one of those like smoke burn things. Oh, the bikes are going the wrong way. Unless that's the way to the next elevation, I don't know. In fact, wow, I challenge him to stay in a straight line. Not a Mustang. Whoa, it's not a Mustang, says the Challenger owner, keeping in a straight line. There are certainly more cars at this location than there were at the much larger previous location, which is quite funny. There it goes. That was... Oh, people are getting a noise. Jeez. Sappy Cosworths. Yes. Oh, the bikes have now arrived. They're leaving as well. Wow. It's all happening at once. I'm sorry if I'm making you dizzy. There's still cars coming. It's ridiculous. Now the bikes are as well. Oh, it's sneezing Fiesta. This is like a bottomless car park. Oh wow, a chrome turquoise, yes. Oh look, a green Camaro. Just randomly. AMG next up. Ascend from the GT4. Ah, we have more company now joining us. Oh my god, there's still more cars coming. I don't know how many cars are in there because I never actually got into the venue. They're all coming down, it's amazing. It's like an industrial estate that was full of cars. What's going on now? Are they blocking? I can't believe how many cars are still in there. Oh, flames from the GTR. Oh. Has something happened? Ah, I think one wheel's facing one way and the other is facing another way, unfortunately. Oh, there's a barrier there I didn't see. Oh no, he must have crashed into the barrier. Oh, what? Oh look, an R34! There was an R34 in the fast lane, there he is. Crap, got it. Oh, here comes all the bikes, bringing a quad. This Golf's been trying launch control for the past minutes. He hasn't quite mastered it yet, so I don't know if it's because the wheels turn, but no. There he goes. Jeez, what is that Fiesta doing? I think we are gradually hitting the last few. Ah, look at that. Look at him go. Cheeky. So I think that was a lot of them. So I'm going to head out too before things get too, you know, risque. So, hope you enjoyed that video. Follow me on Instagram for all the highlights and updates about these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.